Xiaomi's 14T series blends premium specs, Leica cameras, and high-end features at an affordable price. While the 14T Pro gets the spotlight, the 549 14T offers a similar design, great cameras, and solid performance despite a lower-tier processor. I've spent a week using the 14T as my primary device, testing its cameras, productivity, and gaming. Here's my experience. Design. The Xiaomi 14T closely resembles its pricier Pro sibling, with the main difference being its fully flat design, something I actually prefer over the Pro's slight curvature. It sports a retro-futuristic look with a metallic finish and boxy shape, reminiscent of a 70s Walkman or Teenage Engineering's TP7. The Titan Gray model I tested exudes an industrial vibe, but it also comes in Titan Black, Titan Blue, and Lemon Green. Despite its metal-like appearance, the frame is plastic with an aluminum effect paint job, unlike the Pro's real metal frame. However, the frosted glass back feels premium and resists fingerprints. Xiaomi also includes a matte black TPU case for protection. At 195 grams, the 14T is lighter and slimmer than an iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it comfortable to hold. The minimal camera bump keeps it stable on flat surfaces. Plus, with an IP68 rating and Gorilla Glass 5, it's built to withstand the elements. Even budget phones often skimp on haptics, but not here. The precise, powerful vibrations feel flagship level, enhancing typing and navigation. Overall, the Xiaomi 14T delivers a premium look, solid durability, and great usability, without the flagship price. Display. The Xiaomi 14T packs the same impressive display as the 14T Pro and 13T Pro, fast, bright, and ultra-responsive. Its 144 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth navigation, though the difference from 120 Hz is subtle in daily use. With 4000 nits peak brightness, visibility is excellent even in direct sunlight, and HDR content looks stunning. The flat design prevents glare and accidental touches, while slim, symmetrical bezels enhance its premium feel. An in-display fingerprint scanner works well, though Face Unlock offers a quicker alternative in some conditions. Stereo speakers provide clear, detailed sound, better than most mid-range rivals, though lacking flagship-level bass. Overall, the 14T's display is top-tier for its class, smooth, bright, and immersive, perfect for media and everyday use. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra, the same chip as the Poco X6 Pro, the Xiaomi 14T delivers smooth performance with 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage, no microSD support. It outperforms the Google Tensor G4 in graphics and handles demanding apps well, though it falls short of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Genshin Impact runs smoothly at 30 frames per second on max settings, with 60 frames per second possible at the cost of occasional frame drops. While heavy gaming causes some heat buildup, performance remains stable with no major throttling. Overall, the 14 teraflop packs plenty of power for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use, without feeling like a compromise. Cameras. The Xiaomi 14T boasts a versatile triple camera setup. A 50-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Despite a slightly smaller main sensor compared to the Pro, it delivers impressive photos, often rivaling those of the iPhone 16 Pro. Thanks to Leica's partnership, the camera offers vibrant color profiles and detailed shots with great dynamic range. The main camera excels in low light, while the telephoto performs well in daylight. The ultra-wide is decent but lacks sharpness and autofocus. The 32-megapixel selfie camera struggles with motion blur in low light but still captures solid shots. Portrait mode is impressive but occasionally creates overly sharp cutouts. Notably, the 14T supports professional video features like manual control, log format, and LUT imports, offering excellent video performance for the price. Battery. The Xiaomi 14T shares a 5000 mAh battery with the Pro version, but its less powerful processor leads to solid, yet not exceptional, battery life. It easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use, with around 20% remaining by evening, meaning a nightly charge is typical. The 14T supports 67 watts wired charging, reaching 100% in under 45 minutes or over 50% in just 15 minutes. However, the charger isn't included, so you'll need to buy one separately. There's no wireless charging, which is standard for this price range. If that's important to you, the 14T Pro offers 50-watt wireless charging. Software. The Xiaomi 14T runs HyperOS, a refined take on Android 14 with a sleeker, MIUI-like experience. It separates notifications and quick settings iOS style, and the app drawer is off by default, requiring some adjustment for new users. Customization is extensive, but bloatware and app suggestions are present, though easily removable. Google integration is stronger, with Google Gemini as the default assistant. AI features are still rolling out. AI subtitles is in beta, while AI Interpreter and AI Notes are coming soon. AI-powered image editing, similar to Samsung's Galaxy AI, is available via a plugin. Price. The Xiaomi 14T starts at £549 per €649 for the model, with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, with an option for 512 GB of storage at £599 per €699. As with most Xiaomi devices, it's not officially available in the US. You can purchase the phone directly from Xiaomi or through third-party retailers like Amazon. In terms of pricing, it undercuts many flagship devices, though you might also want to consider alternatives like the Google Pixel 8a, OnePlus Nord 4, or the Nothing Phone 2a Plus for a more budget-friendly option. Should you buy the Xiaomi 14T? The Xiaomi 14T delivers premium features at a mid-range price, with a sleek design, excellent display, solid cameras, and strong performance. Day-to-day, it feels nearly identical to the pricier Pro model. The Pro does offer perks like a metal frame, better cameras, stronger gaming performance, and wireless charging, worth considering for an extra £100 or €150. Competition is tough, with the Honor 200 Pro as a strong alternative. But if you want near flagship quality without the flagship price, the Xiaomi 14T is a top contender. Our verdict. The Xiaomi 14T is a budget-friendly phone that punches well above its weight, offering flagship-like performance, fantastic photography capabilities, a gorgeous display, and fast charging. While the Pro model has a more complete spec sheet, opting for the 14T delivers nearly the same experience at a much more attractive price.